Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this we're going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between the Xiaomi 11i with the Dimensity 920 chipset versus OnePlus Nord CE2 with the Dimensity 900 chipset. So both phones they do have the Dimensity processor, but Dimensity 900 and Dimensity 920 processor. Let's see friends, in this kind of comparison which phone will be having what type of CPU throttling graph. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And during this process I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, because in the battery both phones they do have the option which is called the high performance mode. I did not enable that. Let's see, without enabling any kind of high performance mode, what can be the overall CPU throttling can be seen between these two phones. Right now, as you can see, friends, same threads I'm trying to use 100 threads. That's a maximum we can actually use in this kind of testing while comparing between these both phones. And let's start the test without wasting any time. I will try to observe, friends, exactly what's going on between these both phones as well. Regarding the temperatures, 30.6 degrees Celsius and 30.6 degrees Celsius, same temperature between these both phones, exactly same temperature in the beginning. So we'll try to see what's the performance of these both phones, Dimensity 900 and Dimensity 920. So technically the Dimensity 920 will be slightly more powerful and we should get more performance scores, but in the OnePlus Nord CE2 we're getting slightly more performance scores than the Xiaomi 11i. So that's because of MIUI restrictions with the performance and over throttling. That's something to do. But overall, again, I'll be back after 5 minutes of time. After 5 minutes, we'll try to discuss more details what's happening here between these both phones. Then we'll try to compare what's going on with the temperatures and other aspects. So right now, as you can see, friends, after 10 minutes of time, both phones are maintaining exactly very similar regarding the graph. You can see there's nothing much throttling is detected, friends, in the Dimensity 920 and the 900 processor. Clearly see how smooth it is regarding the graph and everything, which is pretty smooth. That's pretty good advantage, I would say, in this both devices. So I can be back when exactly 15 minutes of time. Let's see in the 15 minutes what will be the overall throttling and graph. And temperatures wise, 37.4 degrees Celsius in the Xiaomi 11i hypercharged device and 38.6 degrees Celsius, slightly high in the OnePlus Nord 2. Maroon temperature is 28.8. You can clearly see, friends, 1 degree higher in the OnePlus Nord CE2 device. So I can be back, friends, after some time, around 15 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, friends, is a graph. This is how the graph looks between these both processors, Dimensity 920 and the Dimensity 900 chipset. You can clearly compare between these both phones. CPU total up to 92% and 93%. But try to look at the performance scores, 2,48,000 and 2,20,000. 2,15,000 is an average, 2,44,000 is average, 2,21,000 is average. You can see the minimum of this OnePlus Nord CE2 is the maximum of the Xiaomi 11i hypercharged device. You can see Dimensity 920 chipset exactly. So even in the under benchmark test also, I did find out that under benchmark test, the OnePlus Nord CE2 has got slightly more results than the Xiaomi 11i device. That's kind of shocking to see, but anyway. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the CPU throttling graph. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and signing off. Bye.